In this tutorial, we'll learn how to move data that's on our local servers, your account for example, to Google Drive. Once moved to Google Drive, you can access it from any computer. So the first step is to log into your email account as usual. Then move over to Google Drive. In Google Drive, I see very little here, so we're going to move some information into it in just a moment. But before that, there's one setting I would like you to change, and that's go over to Settings here and click Upload Settings, and just simply click Confirm Settings before each upload. Every time we upload something, we don't want it to automatically convert it into Google Docs. We want to upload it. If it's in Word, we want it to stay in Word. If it's in PowerPoint, we want it to stay in PowerPoint. So we're going to confirm settings before each upload. Okay, now this is ready. I'm just going to minimize it a bit and just move it over to the left-hand side. Now I'm going to open up the data that I want to move. Let's pretend for a moment this is all the data that you want to move. And again, I'm going to resize it and put it on the other half of the screen. So let's say I want to select all of these folders. I'm going to click the first one and shift click the last one. So I'm going to move all these over, and I'm going to drag them over into an empty spot here. Notice the word copy appears. Now it'll take a few moments for this window to appear depending how much data that you're uploading. And here we're given the choice. We can convert everything from here into its corresponding Google Docs format. We can convert any PDFs here as an image file to use Google Docs. Or if we don't click either one, if it's in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and so on, it will be moved in that same format, which for this demonstration is what we want. So we're going to click Start Upload. And if I now expand this a bit, you can see that in this area, uploading is starting. It's showing you how many files are in each. And how long will this take? Well, it all depends on how much you've uploaded. If it's a lot of data, and how long will this take? Well, it depends how much data you're uploading. It could take a few minutes, or it could take a couple of hours. We'll come back in a moment when this is done. Okay, we're back. We're sitting at 2 of 13 folders done, or 9%. We can see that this one's been completed. 159 files have been uploaded in Excel. So we're still working on these other ones, and once they all get done, we'll come back. And back again, sitting at 75%, a little bit more to come. You can do this upload from your local network share to your Google Drive at the end of the day. Just start the process before the end of the day. Turn your monitor off and go home, and let it work through the evening, and everything should be done when you arrive in the morning. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, our upload is now complete. We don't need this window anymore. And if we go back and resize, and for example, we move this folder over, and we open it on your local share, and open it here. You can see all the information is there. Ready for you to use. Okay, I want to organize this a little bit better, so I'm going to create a new folder and simply call it Access. And there it is right there. I'm going to, you could just drag your other folders into this one, or you can right click and choose Move To, and I want to move it here, or simply drag it in. And now if I click on the folder, I see all the folders below it. I go back to my drive, and you You see the owner is me, and even though it says shared at this particular point, you are the only one who has access to it. And if I want to, I can add just a little bit to it so it's easier to spot. I'm going to reorganize these folders. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm almost finished. I'm going to drag this folder in here and this one into programs. So what I have is all my file folders organized the way I want it. Oh, I'm going to move that into applications. And everything's organized, ready to use. If I click on it, the folders inside open up. I could simply go back.